Hello fam, welcome to my page. Sorry I didn't remember to record the early stage of me packing this hair. I have to stretch it. Mind you, this hair is a virgin hair and it's very stubborn. Though my hair is naturally soft hair, but for some reasons it gave me soft type, so I have to take my time to put it gel, apply a lot of gel. I was very much generous with this gel for me to get this hair this smooth. Even after putting it gel, I have to still apply it edge control. This is me applying the edge control. Apply it to make it stronger and smoother. I literally stretch this hair. This is my first time of actually stretching using hot comb on my head. So after that, I have to spray this sprit. This is sprit. I use it to install my front hair most of the time, but I have to spray it so that it can enable the hair to last a little. I'm not planning to carry this hair for that long, but at least I just wanted to a different look. I've been wearing wig for a long time, so this is me trying new look. So after that, I have to tie the hair and dry it with my hand dryer. This is me drying it, and this is how it came out. So with the help of my girl, I wasn't seeing my back, so I needed someone to be my eye. This is me telling myself I need a second mirror. I need the mirror behind me to enable me do my hair by myself. So I started installing the hair, started fixing the hair. So she was just giving me the needle from behind, because if she gives me, I will just use my hand to fix it because she doesn't know what to do. I was the one directing her. So this is me trying to fix the hair. So she would just give me the needle from behind because I wasn't seeing myself. If only I have a big mirror behind me, probably I would have done this by myself, but I just wanted her to be my eye. So I'm me fixing the hair from behind, making sure that it's very tight. And look at how my hair is looking, like it was relaxed. And this is the finished look. I have to pack the hair because the hair was very long and pouring on by my face. I don't want them to touch my face. So I hope you guys like it. I hope it came out well. This is more like my second time of doing my hair, or probably the third time. I know I can do this, but it's just for me to create a time to do it. I already know I have the skill, but I'm just too lazy. But I hope this time I make a time to do it more often. Thank you guys for watching. Please always remember to comment, like, and follow my page for more videos like this. Bye.